Fungi are incredible organisms that live all around us. Unlike plants, they don't have chlorophyll and can't make their own food. Instead, they thrive as saprophytes, decomposing organic matter, or as parasites, living off other organisms. One cool thing about fungi is that they're eukaryotes, meaning their cells have a nucleus. And guess what? They love damp, shady climates. Perfect for a walk in the woods, right? Take mushrooms, for example. They're probably the most famous fungi, popping up overnight after a good rain. Then there's mold. Yes, the kind you might find on old bread, but also essential in nature's recycling system. So next time you spot a mushroom or mold, remember, you're looking at one of nature's most amazing recyclers. How cool is that? Stay curious, nature lovers, and keep exploring the incredible world of fungi.